Now question is integration of dx by 9 sin square x plus 16 cos square x into dx. We have to find this value. Option A is equals to this, option B this, option C this, option D this. Now in this case, integration of dx in this square terms in sin and cos, in this case we have to find in converting to tan form. Okay, in this I am taking common, cos square x is common. Now here 9 into cos square x is common, sin square x by here cos square x plus 16. Okay, now here dx by, okay, here 1 by cos square x means I am writing secant square x into dx by here 9 into sin square by cos square means tan square x plus 16. Here I am taking common 1 by 9. Here only 9 secant square x into dx by tan square x plus 16 by 9. I am taking here, put tan x is equals to, I am taking t. Now differentiation, dy dx of tan x means secant square x is equals to dt by dx. Differentiation with respect to x. This dx is sent to this side, secant square x into dx is equals to dt. Now 1 by 9 into this total term I am write as dt by, here I am taking tan x is equals to t na, t square by 16 by 9. This we can write as 1 by 9 into dt by completing here t square, here 4 by 3 whole square. Now this form, in this formula 1 by x square plus a square into dx in this form. This formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Here 1 by 9 is as it is. In this integration of dx by, dt by t square plus means a square means, okay, 1 by a means 4 by 3 into tan inverse of x means here t by a means 4 by 3, okay, here plus c, here multiply this 3 times is cancel, 4 3s are how much, 12, tan inverse of, here 3 is numerator, 3t by 4. Now substitute the t value. What is the t? 1 by 12 into tan inverse of 3 tan x by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Now option is C. This is the correct.